Welcome to our video on creating infographics. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of designing an infographic and explain how to present complex information in a visually engaging and easy-to-understand format. Let's get started. Infographics are powerful visual tools that present information, data, or knowledge in a concise and visually appealing manner. They help simplify complex concepts and make information more accessible. Here's how you can create effective infographics. Define your objective. Clearly define the purpose of your infographic. Identify the key message you want to convey and the target audience you're addressing. Gather and organize information. Collect all the relevant information and data for your infographic. Analyze and organize the content into logical sections or categories. Now, let's dive into the design process of your infographic. Choose a layout. Select a layout that suits the content and purpose of your infographic. Common layouts include vertical, horizontal, or grid-based designs. Ensure there is a clear visual hierarchy to guide the viewer's attention. Visualize data. If your infographic includes data, consider using charts, graphs, or icons to represent the information visually. This makes complex data easier to comprehend at a glance. Incorporate icons and illustrations. Icons and illustrations help convey information quickly and add visual interest to your infographic. Choose relevant and consistent icons or illustrations that enhance the understanding of the content. Typography. Select appropriate fonts for headings, subheadings, and body text. Use hierarchy and formatting to emphasize important points and maintain readability. Avoid overcrowding the text and aim for concise and impactful messaging. Color and visual elements play a significant role in the effectiveness of your infographic. Color palette. Choose a color palette that aligns with the content and evokes the desired emotions. Use colors strategically to highlight important information or create visual associations. Visual consistency. Maintain visual consistency throughout your infographic. Use consistent icon styles, fonts, colors, and spacing. This creates a cohesive and professional look. Visual cues and hierarchy. Use visual cues like arrows, lines, or sizes to guide the viewer's eye and establish a clear visual hierarchy. Ensure important information stands out and is easily identifiable. And there you have it, the process of designing an infographic. By simplifying complex information, incorporating visual elements, and maintaining a visually engaging design, you can create infographics that effectively communicate your message. So, start visualizing and share your knowledge with impactful infographics.